Okay, so today's Thanksgiving, but my family doesn't do much for Thanksgiving. So I decided to make a little bird feeder. Well, it's gonna be for other animals. Be quiet, birds. Trying to make a video. Shh. So I'm moving some cinder blocks over there to a bird feeder over there. And I made this little thing to help me. I tried to do 3 and 4 cinder blocks, but they're hard to move. So I'm just gonna do 2 at a time, which should help me do it faster. So, yeah. Okay, so I just moved all the cinder blocks I need, but just have to decide now if I should leave them with the little holes facing up, or the little holes facing, like this. I think I'm gonna do like this. I mean, it's the same thing, I guess. I guess this one's a bit more sturdy with the structure, but then again, they're the same thing, so I'm gonna stick with that. So I have a small little problem right now, and it's this part. As you can see, there's a giant gap. So I'm not sure. Like, I tried to put the cinder block there, but I couldn't. I have this tree, this fork. Thinking about stabbing it into the ground and holding it up like that. Like this, one of those. But the problem is, if a big animal, like for example, let's say like 3 raccoons get on this, it's gonna bend, it's gonna tip over. Most likely gonna break this in the process if it does. So, I'll be back. Okay, so I did this with these 2 sticks. It's probably not the best solution, but I did it anyways. So, I got the corn over there. So now just to shove it down with corn. And let animals come. I'm also going to be getting some corn over there from what was the garden, because there's a bit of corn left, like bits of corn here and there. So my little sister's helping. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So now to get some of this corn. Chickens are there. This one. As you can see, an animal was biting here. They probably won't like this, but I'm gonna put it there anyways. So, yeah. So some of this corn, I'm gonna peel it off my finger or break it. Let me see which one's easier. Okay. Okay, so I broke it, and I'm just doing this with my finger. Nothing special. So now that this is here, I mean, I'm gonna think about getting another BB/pellet, like BB gun, but it's also gonna be a pellet gun. The Daisy Powerline 880 or a Crosman. Okay, so the lighting's very bad because it's pretty much the middle of the day. But me and my dad, we moved it. It was once, if I can show ya. You can barely see everything. So, but like right here, where this cinder block is where the little feeder used to be. But now we moved it a bit over here. So yeah. So I just have to move everything back over there to the house. So that's the end of the video. Hope you liked the video. You don't have to like nor subscribe. I don't care about it. So yeah.